It's good to know that you can do anything from the comfort of your home. There are many things you can do to make your home office more efficient. This video lists some home office essentials every remote workers need to have. 1. Wireless router. It is best if you choose a wireless router that has high spare capacity, so all of your device will connect easily. 2. A power strip. It's important for every home office setup to have an extension cord. A power strip can help keep all your electronics in one place and enable them to stay charged at all times. 3. Printer and scanner. The best printer and scanner for your home office is one with good quality features. Your laser printer and scanner should also have good paper handling technology, so it would be able to handle different paper types. 4. Workstation chairs. Get an ergonomic office chair in your home office setup so you can sit down comfortably while working on different projects at the same time. The desk chair should also be comfortable enough you won't get tired while sitting down all day long. 5. Home office security. Both digital or in-house security is important for your home office setup. Your home office security system should be able to protect your data and devices from unauthorized access. And that's it. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.